doing, Alfonso? It's Nate over at Tameron Hyundai, man. Just wanted to bring some Christmas cheer and savings here. I have the exact Santa Fe XL that you were looking for right here. It's going to feature the beautiful waterfall cascading grille with the wraparound headlights. Also going to have the aluminum alloy wheels. Blind spot detection. Man, that's a big thing nowadays. What that's going to do is going to alert you if there's a vehicle located on the side of you. Keep it from coming over on people. Proximity key entry. Another great feature of these vehicles, there's a ton of equipment in here. Come inside, let me show you. Do have the leather seating. We're going to have the Android Apple CarPlay. Once you Bluetooth your phone to the system, that's going to allow you hands-free operation to answer text messages, send phone calls, things of that nature. Have the heated seats, dual climate control, touchscreen. Again, there's a ton of things in this vehicle, Alfonso. I'd love to show you once you come in, take a test drive. But the great thing about these vehicles is America's best warranty. 5 years, 60,000 miles, bumper to bumper. 20 years, 200,000 miles, exclusively here at Tameron. Come see me, Alfonso. My name is Nate. 205-287-2321. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.